Once upon a time, on a lively farm, there lived a friendly dog named Dexter, a playful piglet named Percy, and a curious chicken named Clara. They loved their farm, but they dreamed of having more friends to play with. One day, Dexter had an idea. He wagged his tail and barked excitedly.
Hey, why don't we make more friends? I heard that helping others is a great way to do that.
Yeah, let's give it a try. But who can we help?
Look over there! Farmer Brown needs help carrying those apples. Let's assist him.
Oh, thank you, my dear friends. You're always so helpful.
Don't worry, Mrs. Hen. We can help you fix your nest.
I'm so lucky to have such helpful friends like you. And so, Dexter, Percy, and Clara discovered that by being helpful and kind, they not only made new friends, but also created a wonderful community on the farm. From that day on, they learned that friendship grows when you lend a helping hand and share a smile. And they all lived happily ever after, surrounded by the warmth of friendship.
The end. Remember, kids, making friends is easy when you're helpful and kind. So be a good friend and spread happiness wherever you go. Goodbye for now.